Watch this small video until the end to earn $1,000 per day without spending a cent. Guys, this works worldwide and it's one of the easiest ways to earn money online since there's no affiliate marketing, no selling, no social media followers needed, and no experience or skills required. You have to just copy and paste. And I'll show you 3 more websites with some bonus tips to maximize your earnings. Okay, for you to set up this strategy, it takes just 30 minutes or less. Please be with me until the end to follow each and every step I reveal. If you miss a tiny step, this won't work out, guys. You know what? You can withdraw money from PayPal. And in case PayPal is unavailable to receive payments in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, I'll show you the other withdrawal options such as bank transfer, Pioneer, and etc. But before we start, I would like to congratulate Nadia Henderson for winning my $1,000 giveaway. You also can enter this contest to win this $1,000 giveaway, guys. Just comment your favorite movie. Well, it'll take just 10 seconds to type your favorite movie, guys. Comment down below. My favorite movie is, and stand a chance to win this YouTube automation masterclass that will help you to earn 6 figures monthly. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as I always say. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So come over to google.com and search for Google News. Open the first website in search results. It's news.google.com. This is a place where you can find the latest news and trending topics around the world. You can find anything in this website. News about the world, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and whatever you want. So how will you get paid by this website? You should find some article related to the health niche. So let's go to health. And you'll see tons of articles published daily over here. Basically, you should find an article that a lot of people click on. So open up an article. So I'll choose this one. Don't worry, you don't have to write something here or promote anything. All you need to do is to copy the text in this article. So in this article, there are more than 1,000 words. So I'll just copy the first paragraph for now. So let's copy this text and go to spinbot.com. It's spinbot.com, and you can paste the article here. So Spinbot will rewrite this article for you. So you can have this entire article in your own words, which means that way it becomes completely unique. So you can come over here and tick this box to confirm that you're not a robot, and click go. So see, Spinbot did this within seconds. As you can see, the context is the same, but this is using synonyms and rewriting in your own words. And now we are going to use this unique article in a few other websites to earn money. Guys, some of these websites will pay you $1 per word. I repeat it, $1 per word. So count the words, do the math, and see how much you will earn. So you just copy the rewritten text, come over to eatingwell.com/article/290691/writers-guidelines. Well, you can find this in the description as well. This is not an affiliate link, so don't worry. So what Eating Well is, this is a site you can submit your own articles and get paid. Now, instead of doing all the hard work, researches, and writing articles for days, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high-quality articles that they will pay you up to $1 per word. Which means if you copy and rewrite an article of 1,000 words, you will earn $1,000 just for that article. And this process of finding and rewriting an article will only take you less than 10 minutes, right? So in order to submit an article, scroll down and find their contact email. It's right here, pitches@eatingwell.com, and copy this email address and email them with a subject line telling submission or article submission or something like that. then just attach the file of the article you created. Once you send the mail, eatingwell.com will review it, and if it's something trending, they will ask you for your payment details. That's why I told you to find something trending and something people would love reading related to health and fitness niche. So I can give you a preferred withdrawal method. If you want to get the payment through PayPal, you can give your PayPal email, or if you want a bank transfer, you may give your bank details, and if you want to withdraw your earnings from another method, feel free to send them your preferred withdrawal method. Guys, here your options are endless because there are new articles in Google News every hour. So copy the articles, paste them on Spinboard, rewrite them, paste them in a Word document, or save it anywhere and submit. So guys, I really hope you guys are getting some value out of this video, and if you do, don't forget to drop a like to it. Leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content. Getting back to the video with the next website, that is sierraclub.org/sierra/editorial-guidelines. I'll give this link down in the description as well. Not an affiliate link, guys. You should find articles related to technology and science. So let's go back to Google News and find technology, maybe science, find an article, go copy the text, go to Spinboard, paste the text, rewrite the article, copy that to a Google Doc or a Word document, and come back to sierraclub.org, and it says submit well-researched, tightly focused queries to submissions.sierra@sierraclub.org. Please include pitch in the subject line and a brief description of the topic. And you have to put your complete pitch in the body of your email. And in this website, unlike in eatingwell.com, they don't accept attachments such as Google Docs, Word docs, or PDFs. So you just have to copy the text from Spinboard and just paste it and send the mail. And let's move on to the last website where you can submit your articles to get paid, and that is daily.jstor.org/submit. And here you can read the submission guidelines. Read this out. I'm not gonna use your time on reading these. So go through the submission guidelines and read more about how it works. Well, this website will pay you a little bit less money than the other two I showed you. But obviously it will take you less than 10 minutes to write an article. So why not trying out? And to be honest, it only gets less than 10 minutes to do an article according to this strategy. So why not? You can try this out to maximize your earnings. This is just copy and pasting. So earn as much as you want, guys. By the way, guys, of course, not every single article will get accepted here. But you can submit articles as much as you like every day. Copy and paste, guys. And even if you get one article accepted per day, you will earn hundreds of thousands of dollars, guys. This will just take 30 minutes or less, and more importantly, this won't cost you any amount of money. So just spend 30 minutes a day to find trending articles from Google News, copy and paste to rewrite, and submit to collect your earnings, guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll be replying each and every comment. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.